This song is called East to West. I wake up with these city lights burning holes in my mind. You see, it's not just the distance that's eating me, it's the thought that we're running out of time. The East Coast is cold, and if only a moon dance could save me, then I would be granted freedom from all holds you have on me. Oh, her hair is thick with mischief, and her clothes reek of the night that's consuming me. Slowly I lose parts of you each time I let the West Coast slip from my mind. From New York City across to California, all the way down the soles on my shoes just to hold ya. If there's half a chance of us growing older together, I'll run through the hills and the weather if I could just hold you. If I could just hold you. This bag on my back carries my hopes and my dreams, with the memories held by my class ring on your finger. I'm wearing my heart on a sleeve when I think of you.